Imagine making money from your laptop without complicated setups, employees, or a giant office. What if I told you that in less than a week, you could start a business that actually works and grows while you sleep? Sounds crazy, right? But by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what the simplest online business model is, why it's beginner-friendly, and how to get your first sale fast, even if you have zero experience. The simplest way to start making money online is by offering services. Think about it. Companies need help writing content, designing graphics, editing videos, managing social media, or even creating simple spreadsheets. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn are packed with clients willing to pay. But here's where it gets interesting. You don't need years of experience to get started. With tools like ChatGPT, Canva, or Midjourney, you can produce professional results quickly. For instance, you can offer blog posts or social media graphics as a service even if you're just starting. Turn your skill or hobby into a paycheck, and you've just launched your first online business. Imagine designing a t-shirt, mug, or phone case and having someone across the world buy it without you ever touching the product. That's print on demand. Platforms like Printful, Teespring, and Redbubble handle printing and shipping for you. The key to success? Niche designs. A coffee-loving cat in space shirt will sell better than a generic cat shirt. You can create multiple designs and watch your online store slowly grow. It's a simple business model, beginner-friendly, and you don't need to manage inventory or logistics. Affiliate marketing is another simple and beginner-friendly way to make money online. Here's how it works. You promote a product online, and every time someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. You don't make the product, ship it, or handle customer complaints. You can start with Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. The secret sauce is building trust with your audience. For example, you could review tech gadgets, fitness tools, or software that you actually use. People will buy because they trust your recommendation, and you can start earning passive income immediately. Digital products are perfect for beginners because you create them once and sell them over and over. Think ebooks, templates, stock photos, or music tracks. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and even your own website make distribution simple. For instance, a fitness coach could make a 30-day meal plan PDF and sell it to hundreds of people. Once it's online, you don't touch it again, yet the sales keep coming. The scalability is huge because you don't need inventory, shipping, or extra staff. If you have a skill, teaching online is a highly profitable and beginner-friendly model. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare allow you to package your knowledge into courses. Here's a trick. Create short, actionable lessons under an hour. Students love micro-learning, and your content will continue to earn over time. For example, if you know basic Photoshop skills, you can teach beginners in a structured course, and suddenly your hobby becomes a business. Combine it with a YouTube channel or social media promotion, and your course can reach thousands globally. YouTube isn't just for entertainment. It's a beginner-friendly online business platform. Channels that educate, entertain, or solve problems can earn through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate deals. Beginners often make the mistake of trying to cover everything. The key is niche focus, consistency, and leveraging SEO. Even a small channel with 5,000 subscribers can generate $1,000 a month if executed correctly. With AI tools, you can speed up scripting, editing, and thumbnail creation. And here's a bonus tip. Personality matters. Share stories, educate, and entertain, and your audience will convert into loyal followers who trust your recommendations. Dropshipping is one of the simplest online business models because you never hold inventory. You pick trending products on AliExpress or similar suppliers, create an online store with Shopify or WooCommerce, and when someone buys, the supplier ships it directly. The challenge is marketing, but social media ads and influencer partnerships can drive traffic quickly.
Unlike traditional retail, your risk is minimal because you only pay for products after a sale is made.
It's a perfect beginner model. Simple, low risk, and scalable. You can start small and expand as your audience grows.
Beyond courses and ebooks, creating printables or templates is one of the simplest online businesses. Think planners, budget sheets, worksheets, or design templates. People love buying ready-made resources that save them time. You can sell these on Etsy or Gumroad. For example, a wedding planner could design checklists and sell them digitally. Once uploaded, it requires no ongoing effort, yet it generates passive income.
The setup time is minimal, the learning curve is low, and the business scales with little extra effort.
The beauty of all these business models is that they're simple, beginner-friendly, and scalable. You don't need a fancy office, a team of 50, or millions in startup capital. What separates successful online entrepreneurs from those who fail is action. Pick one idea, stick to it, and iterate. Don't try to chase all 7 at once. Small wins compound faster than waiting for the perfect idea. And even if you make just $100 in your first week, that momentum is priceless. If you're wondering which one to start with, here's a simple approach. Combine 2 beginner-friendly models. For example, start freelancing while creating a small digital product. Your service work pays the bills while your product grows in the background. Or build a YouTube channel to support an online course. One effort, multiple income streams, and consistent growth. The key is execution. Momentum beats perfection every single time. The online business world is evolving faster than ever. AI, automation, and global connectivity allow one person to manage a business that used to require an entire office. You don't need to be a tech genius. You just need clarity, consistent effort, and a willingness to start. The simplest online business model isn't complicated. It's about taking the easiest action that produces real results. And that's why beginners see success faster than they ever imagined. Take action today. Open your laptop, pick one of these simple business models, and dedicate just 1 hour a day to it. That's enough to make your first $1,000 in weeks if you stay consistent. 6 months from now, imagine looking back and realizing you've created something real, scalable, and life-changing. That's not a dream, it's a single decision away. If this video gave you clarity, don't stop here. Watch the next video where I reveal the fastest way to land your first online client with zero experience. And if you want more step-by-step strategies to build your laptop business, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's make it happen together.